Hi, I just got this cutie little mic and I think it will be better for these types of videos because I feel like sometimes if I step away, the sound just doesn't work out as well. And also it's pink and kind of fuzzy and cute. Okay, so I may have done something that I didn't think I was going to be doing so soon after I already did it. And if that is, I went back to the Chanel. You are correct. I went back to the Chanel. And did I buy something? Yes, I did. Okay, so I actually did get to see some of the Metiers D'art, which was really cool. Though there wasn't as much there as I thought there was going to be, but I know my essay says that they get stuff all the time, so I'm sure some of it will come rolling in. I didn't get to record as much as I would have liked to record because I was there for a very specific thing and I was getting kind of overwhelmed. The footage, I do have the pictures and stuff I already put in the beginning of this video, so you could kind of see what it was that I got to see. If you're wondering what I did get, I'm going to show you. This is another Chanel. It's not necessarily an unboxing because I open everything as soon as I get home to make sure it's all okay. This is more like a Chanel reveal. I'm going to start off with something a little bit extra that I got that day, which I didn't go in for this specific thing, but I did see these and I really liked them. I got another pair of sunnies. I love sunglasses. I will always wear my sunglasses, even in the middle of the winter. So I ended up getting these. They kind of feel like a shell material. Very, very beautiful. I think that they're kind of like cool and different. And I don't have anything really like this shape, and I don't have anything in this particular color. So I don't know. I just thought these were really fun. I have a lot of really fun glasses. I'm a fun sunglass kind of girl, so I feel like these work out great and will fit perfectly in my collection. Okay, do we all remember a few weeks ago I went to the Chanel and tried on two different blazers, and I ended up getting this blazer from the pre-spring summer collection, and I love it. I still love it. It's not going anywhere. It is 100% staying in my collection forever. But on the same day, I also tried on something else. And I had a really hard time deciding between that blazer and the other blazer I tried on. Did I go back for the other one? I did. And I'll tell you my reasoning behind it in 1 second after I open this up. This is the Spring Summer 2026 first ever Metiers D'art collection. And I believe it was a runway piece. I'll try to insert a photo. And honestly, I could not stop thinking about it. The details on this jacket are gorgeous. The buttons are beautiful. You can see the little CCs. The trim is like so thick. The jacket is so thick, like the material is, it's very, very well made, very, very well constructed. It is a classic tweed, and I feel like it is just very, very classic Chanel. Okay, so the story about this blazer. I was in the Chanel a few weeks ago and I was trying on this one and the other one. I chose the other one because it was on my wish list. I had seen it before. It was never in my size. So they had a one off piece and she said it was just randomly there. It was my size. And I thought, this is a sign from the shopping gods to get this. And I was completely shocked that I would even like this blazer in the first place. When I put this on my body, I was like, oh, I really do like this. It is interesting because I wasn't necessarily the biggest Blasey fan, and I'm definitely warming up to him and his designs. I don't love everything, but I do appreciate some of the pieces 100%, and I do really appreciate the blazers. I got to see so many of them in real life. Even the Metiers D'art collection, they are so unbelievably beautiful. The details are insane. They're very Chanel. They're very much pieces you can pass down to your other family members. Like, I know my niece is going to get all of my Chanel stuff when she's a little bit older. So one day when I'm, done with this era of my life, I was thinking about this blazer every day for 3 weeks straight. My husband, I think he got so annoyed with me at one point because I was just like, I don't know, I think I need this. I think I need this in my closet. It's an art piece. It's from the first collection from Blasey. I love it. I know what I can wear it with. I have styling ideas in mind. I feel like this is something that I can pass down to my niece. And eventually my husband was like, you know what? Message your essay. Just ask her if it's still there. So I messaged her, cross my fingers, and hope it's still there in my size. And it was. And she held it for me, and I came running in, and then it was just there. And I was like, you know what? This is it's meant to be. It is meant to be. That's how I ended up with two Chanel blazers within the span of 3 weeks, which is not something I would normally do. That's not a normal thing for me. It's normally like a seasonal thing. I'll go in, I'll buy a couple things here and there. But I don't know, there was just something about both of these blazers that felt historical to me. And I love collecting fashion as art pieces, and I feel like this one's an art piece.